honeys, and welcome back to the vlog. So today is Monday, January 18th. I am off today because it is Martin Luther King Day. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna try to do better with because I'm supposed to be doing weekly vlogs and posting them on Saturdays. And I'm trying to do better with like actually recording throughout the week instead of just recording on Friday. Don't mind my eyelashes, okay? I slept bad, they look crazy, okay? Don't worry about it. And I'm just picking up groceries, honestly. I'm not doing nothing today. But I just want to come in here and say hi to you guys. And then I'm trying to do better with weekly vlogs, okay? Remember we have lock videos on Wednesdays, and child, this is crazy. Y'all see this? This is what real life is like. This is what the vlogs is for. Lock videos on Wednesdays and weekly vlogs on Saturdays at 8 a.m. honey. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back, baby. Okay, welcome to the honey gang. I don't know if y'all know, I don't know if I said this before, but I decided on calling y'all honey gang because I'm always saying honey, yes honey, hello honey, honey. So I was like, we're gonna make them the honey gang, okay? So honey gang, y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Anywho, let's get these groceries, okay? Hey honeys, y'all thought we was going in store? No, baby, we wasn't going nowhere. We did grocery pickup, okay? I am sitting at my reserved spot seat for Shark KBZV. Let me stop. Yeah, y'all, grocery pickup. The only thing I will do is when I actually do go in store, is that's when I get all my produce, because baby, we don't play that. Chris don't play that, okay? But yeah, everything else, grocery pickup, okay? I am waiting patiently, okay? My time slot was 3 to 4. I am here at 3:04. Okay? Hey honeys, real quick, I just want to give a special shout out to my friend Brandy. She has been watching my videos and she commented the emoji from one of my previous videos. So this is your shout out, honey. Thank you so much for supporting me and rock with me all these years, honey. We go way back to like elementary days. Like that's family right there. So thank you so much, Brandy. Shout out to you. You guys stay tuned until the end of the video to see what the emoji will be for this video, for a shout out for another video. All right, getting my groceries, y'all. Got all my groceries. Goodbye, Walmart, man. Thank you very much. I'm special, y'all. Anywho, I worked out today. I may try to show y'all a snippet of that sometime this week. Worked out. It's 3:20. I had some oatmeal, and I didn't even eat all of that. And now I'm hungry. So we got our groceries. Goodbye, Walmart pickup. Babe cooked dinner yesterday. He usually cooks Sunday dinner. I cook during the week. So we're gonna have that for leftovers, so I don't have to worry about cooking dinner tonight. Love it when that works out. So I'm probably about to go home, eat something, and then yeah.
Dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like, who that? Swag on 1,000, now my girls got my back. We just won the party.
All right, you guys. So it is, what's today? Wednesday. I was about to say June and July. Wrong J month. It is January the 20th. It is inauguration day. I had a break in my day, so I am about to go into Shoe Show. It is a place where you can get shoes and stuff. I was gonna try to see if I can show y'all the sign, but y'all gonna come in here with me real quick. Remember, I was trying to find some white shoes for my birthday outfit. Didn't end up finding them, so I'm gonna go in here, see what they got, and then we're gonna continue my self-care day. It's very important to take care of yourself. So we getting waxed today, honey. We getting our feet done, our nails done. So let's go.
We just wanna party. Yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that.
Okay, y'all, I think I'm gonna give me some of these, but I don't know if I want this style or this other style. There's not really too much difference in price. Or if I want these. I think them other ones look better. Yeah, I think those other ones look better. What y'all think? So they don't have these in my size right now. They got a 9.5 and a 12. I don't know, I may go looking somewhere else. I wish I liked these since they 50% off, but oh well. Okay, y'all, I'm about to chill and relax. I'm about to get a mani-pedi and wax. I'll try to show y'all the sign when I'm leaving because I forgot to show it when I'm coming in. But yes. Time to relax. Okay, y'all, we are a new woman. We got waxed. If you don't get waxed, like, I could never go back to shaving. Couldn't do it. Could not do it. So we got that done. I was looking at the text message. So nice little self-care day, you guys. You gotta have your self-care, okay? You gotta have a day and do what you gotta do for you. I may go get my eyebrows waxed. I think I'm gonna wait to let them fill in some more. Actually, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Yes, y'all. Hey, you guys. So it is the end of the vlog, the end of the vlog, the end of the vlog. I just want to come on here real quick and give y'all like an update on my hairstyle and how it's doing. It's been a week and a day. 2 days? A week and a day. It is Friday, January 22nd. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support on my last lock video. This is what they are looking like. Let me see how I can set y'all up so y'all can see the back. This is how you know this is a vlog, y'all, because the setup and everything ain't perfect, but just look at how they doing. My babies, my locks. Turn around. Hope y'all can see this good. These are like some of my favorite locks, like right here. I love my locks, y'all. This is a fat one right here. This part is getting loose. I can't really see it good, but I can tell that it's getting loose. That's why I say my styles only last like a good week and a half, 2 weeks. And then once it start getting old, I'll be ready to take it down. But anywho, y'all, let me end this vlog. This is what my locks is looking like after a week of being retwisted. These look really good. I mean, these do too, but you can just tell that my style is getting old, so I'm probably gonna take it down in a few days. Babe is on his way home from working out, so we probably about to just chill, eat, watch movies, and chillax. And then we got some stuff going on over the weekend. But yes, you guys, thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Okay, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, honey. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.